And with this match officially underway, we should see quite the fight from her in this one.
Oh yeah, she's proven that. For better or worse, she's not the type to give up easily. Some call it stubbornness, but she believes it's absolute resilience.
She's definitely not the type to give up easily, that's for sure.
That all said, she's facing off against a woman who's been more than willing to go the extra mile. I'm talking about a woman who we've seen push her own limits time and time again.
All the way up. Red suplex.
Talk about intimidation. I'm not sure if it's resilience or stupidity that's going to drive you to try and come back from a move like that.
She responds with a counter.
Another reversal. Eye for an eye here. Oh, man. Showing off the quickness. That'll turn things around in a hurry.
Counter. And now there's an opening.
I don't know what that was, but it looked like it hurt.
Catches the leg.
This is a very powerful powerbomb. That powerbomb was absolutely worthy of both halves of its name. Probably knew that wasn't going to be enough at this stage, but every time you cover your opponent, you make them kick out. Every kick out exerts energy. Stiff elbow will break that up.
She's holding on tight.
Choke slam right into the knee.
Things taking a turn for her now.
Caught by the back of the elbow. Stunner!
Agility like that is what can set you apart from the rest of the locker room. A slingshot into it.
Ouch!
That is reckless abandon being shown.
And paying off as well. And she gets herself out of a precarious position.
Right between the shoulder blades into the pump handle.
And she's using this moment to summon all of her strength.
Reversal! Can she capitalize?
Down with a choke slam.
Looking for a high-risk move.
Here we go.
Nobody home for that one.
Oh, rocking the jaw.
Whoa, 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 wait a second. Hoisted all the way up. Ooh.
Full impact.
Expected that one.
There's a shoulder.
Fatigue must be getting to her.
Yeah, things are not looking up for her right now. Just punishing.
She's able to get out of the way. She heads out, but this one can be lost by countout.
Looks like she's opting to go with the old classic, a steel chair.
Oh, man. Oh, wicked clothesline. Oh, my God, moonsault.
She wants to finish this.
To interrupt the attack.
Hoisted up into a knee. That could be it. Into a knee.
And that is all she wrote. She returns the favor.
Dodges the attack.
Nice takedown. Oh, what a bridge. She kicked out. How the hell did Sent flying into the corner. Saw that one coming.
Leaping up to the top. Great agility. And nice drop kick.
Starting to roll here. Almost stopped to the heart. Knee right to the gut.
Heads out of the ring, but needs to be mindful of the referee's count here. Basement drop kick with impact. And we're still seeing the fight left in her there.
Yeah, she somehow gains an advantage despite everything she's been through.
Re-entering the ring now.
Into a knee. She's looking for the win.
The cover!
I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
I don't either. Can this ref even count to 3?
And now it's reload time. Time to find out a moment to pull off that one more time. And just got caught with that DDT.
Both arms captured, and vitriolic stops.
And another just non-stop aggression.
Nasty headbutt. Not done yet. Into the side suplex. And she dodged that one nicely.
Oh, and she turns it around.
Tossed with the suplex. There's the cover. I'm shocked that she kicked out.
You and I both, Byron. Oh, my goodness.
And that definitely made solid impact.
That's another focused attack to her torso area.